Hello everyone, this is Muntasir Rahman from muntasirrahman.com, and in today's video we will look at how you can set an autoresponder email series in Aweber. Now before I get into the technical details, I just want to know what is autoresponder. Autoresponder is something that you will set once and it will automatically send email to each of your subscribers based on some criteria that you will set beforehand. Let me just explain it a little better. I will go to Paint and suppose this is your website. Okay, this is your website, your home site, your home page, and here you have set a little sign up form. So if anyone puts his email and first name here, then you will capture their lead and they will be automatically sent to Aweber. Okay, they will be automatically sent to your Aweber list. Now I need to send emails to each of these subscribers, but if you do it manually it will take a lot of work and effort. But there is a system called autoresponder. The autoresponder will send emails to each of the subscriber and you will not have to do anything for that. So that's a big relief because it saves a lot of time and effort. So I can set the autoresponder like that, like this way. Suppose when someone subscribes to my email list, that means when someone first put his email and name here and subscribe to my email list, then the first email I will send to him is the, it can be the lead magnet email, like the thing you have promised him to give. Suppose if you have promised in the sign up form to give a free PDF, okay, suppose you have promised the person to give a free PDF. So if he subscribes to your email list, the first email can be the link of the PDF, download link of the PDF. So it can be the first email. Okay, let me make it a bit smaller. Okay, download link of the PDF. Now I can set the email autoresponder in such that after the first email it will wait 3 days, and after 3 days it will send another email. So this can be a follow-up email where you talk about your website or what is your goal about the website or what do you want to do for the subscriber, things like that. Now you can set up the autoresponder such that it can wait then another 3 days, and after another 3 days you will send him another email. In that email you can talk about a particular product or an affiliate program or some way that you can earn money from that subscriber, because ultimately we want to earn money from our list, right? And after you can set it like that. So it will be a 3 email sequence, but if you want, I generally follow a 4 email sequence. So if you want, you can make him wait again 3 days, or you can make it 2 days, 1 day, it's your choice. So after 3 days I can send him another email, and here you can put up the final email of the sequence. Like here you can make a hard sell of your product or any other affiliate program, so that if they buy that program you will get a high commission. So this is how you can actually set up an autoresponder sequence, and I will show you in this video how you can do exactly that in Aweber. Okay, so let's get started. So to set up the autoresponder sequence, first we will go to message and go to campaigns. Now I have done something before, I will just delete it and show you from scratch. So you will get something like that, and first we will click at create a campaign. Then we can start with a blank campaign. Now there are some other templates for you. That is good. That is the good thing about Aweber, that they give lots of templates free. So I will just click the create a blank campaign and give your campaign a name. I am giving it Lean Mates. This is the name of one of my sites. So I will just click create. Okay, now we will have to decide how the trigger will be applied. So here we have two options: start a campaign when someone is added to your list, start a campaign when a tag is applied to subscribers. For this purpose, we will start the campaign when someone is added to our list. Okay, so that's why we will click on subscribe. So that's our trigger. That means that the autoresponder will be triggered when someone joins our list. Now we will set up the email sequence. So first we will send a message. So I will just click and drag it here, and now I will have to create the message. So I will just click here and push create message, and I like the plain text message, so I will just click here. Let me say, for this to work, you will have to have a email list first. Otherwise, whom are you going to send emails, right? And if you want to know how to import list from another email marketing company like MailerLite or GetResponse, then I have made a video for that. You can check it out. The link will be in the I button now, or I will also put the link in the description box below. So first I will create a email here. I have written some email so that it doesn't take much time. I will just click on the first email and copy paste it. Here I have copy pasted the email. Now I will put a subject. So in the subject you can personalize it with the subscriber's first name. For that I will click personalize subscribers info and first name. Then I may write, here is your free PDF download, something like that, and that is done. You will just create the email here and click save and exit. So this is our first email done. Now for the next email, I want the automation to wait for a few days, so I will click and drag the wait. Okay, now I will select how much time will the automation wait before sending the next email. So I can click here 3 days. I like to wait about 3 days or 2 days, so I will have just put it in 3 days. Then I will send another message, and I will just the same create the message now. So this time I will just copy paste the second email. I will put it here, and I will just I can do something like what is our goal at leadmates.com. I am just doing something for this video. So I will now here you will just put the subject line and then craft your email, and after that you can just put save and exit. So our second email is done. Then we will wait again. You can do this, or we can just click copy and drag it down here. So that is done. Then I will craft our third email, create message, plain text message. I will copy the third email, and I am just writing, here is how you can lose weight, something like that, and then I will click save and exit. And for the fourth email, I can wait just 1 day or 2 days. It is up to your choice. I will wait 1 day, and then I will send the final email of the autoresponder campaign. So now I will also click plain text message, and I will copy the fourth email. I will paste it here, and I can say something like here is the magic ingredient to lose weight. When crafting your subject, make sure it has some spices so that people click on the email. Not like clickbait stuff, but it has some spice, so that people want to click on the email. So that will be the final email, and I will just click save and exit. Now here is one more thing I would like to do. if someone goes through the whole autoresponder list, then I want to know which persons have completed the autoresponder list. That means already have received the 4 emails, and for that I will need to apply a tag. Here I will click here and put it here, and I will name the tag like this: completed lean mate sequence, something like that. Okay, so whenever someone completes the whole sequence, that means gets receives all these 4 emails, after receiving the 4th email, Aweber will put a tag onto that subscriber like this: completed lean mate sequence. And if I want to send an email only to those persons who have completed the sequence, then I can just use this tag and send an email to only those persons who have completed the autoresponder sequence. So this is how we can do that. This is very advanced stuff, but Aweber has a very intuitive design platform, so it doesn't look very hard. It seems very easy, which is great for beginners. So that is how we can craft the autoresponder. Now we will just click save and exit, and then we will have to click here and activate campaign. So after we click activate campaign, our campaign will start and the autoresponder sequence will be activated from that point. So this is how you can create an autoresponder sequence in Aweber. Now if you want to start Aweber for free, I have a link in the description. Just click on that link and you will get to a sign up form. There you will have to put your name and email and other stuff, and you will get a free Aweber account. So that account will be free for up to 500 subscribers. So if you are a beginner and just want to start with email marketing, this is the time for you. And let me remind you that that link will be an affiliate link. So if you want to join the Aweber premium plan later, then I will get some commission from that, and thank you for that. So this is how you can actually create an autoresponder sequence in Aweber. I hope the video was helpful. Thank you. Take care.